Good afternoon. We have in this lecture that is GATE lecture number 5, which is for maths, and we have in this that is a rank of matrix. Rank of matrix. Now, what is rank of matrix? The number of linearly independent rows or columns in the matrix are referred to as the matrix rank. Now, in this, if we have different method to calculate the rank, here we are going to consider that is determinant method. Determinant method. Now, if my determinant is 0, then our maths, suppose we are going to consider a matrix. Let us we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. And if I have calculated matrix of this, and if it comes 0, then my value of the determined rank will not be 3. It will be less than 3. We have this as m by n, and the lower we are going to consider for rank. And in this, if I will get 0, then we have to go next value. That means we have calculated matrix that is 3 by 3. Now I will go for 2 by 2. Different parts I will consider. And in this part, so we have this as 1, 2, that minors as we calculate. And we will see that in that minor, I should not have value 0. If I have minor value of minor 0 of that one, then I have to come to lower level again. And likewise, we have to calculate it and we have to check the rank of the matrix. Now, how we will go for this? Now you can see this. Determine rank of the matrix. So this was asked in 2021. So we have this problem is given. And we are interested to calculate the rank of this. Now you can see we are not this column and these columns are not independent. So we will just a little bit go for this. So we have 5 0 minus 5 0 0 2 0 1 minus 5 0 5 0 0 1 0 2. And from this, if we will calculate, then we are going to get this value that is equal to 0. Means we are going to say my rank is not 4. Now, as we have this 0, then I will consider only this part. So this is minor of this 5, I can say. And then I will calculate this value. What I will get? So if I will write this, then what I will get? I will get it as 2 into 5 into 2, 10 minus 0. Then this 0 we have 0. Then we have this 1. And from this 1, so we have plus 1. And then we have this 0. So 0 minus 5. And this value is not 0. And therefore we have 3. Now you can see add C1 equal to C3. All elements in column are 0. So automatically we are going to get determinant 0. You need not require to calculate also. If you add C1 equal to C1 plus C3, then what you will get? You will have 5 minus 5, then 0, 0 minus 0, then minus 5 plus 5, and 0 minus 0. So we have this will be my first column. And then if I will write this, then we have 0, 0, 0, 0, and others will be 0, 2, 0, 1, then minus 5, 0, 5, 0. And we can say we know if any column or row is present as 0, then determinant we are going to be 0. And therefore rank is not 4. And now I will go to calculate any 3 by 3 in this, and that value is not 0. Means my rank of the matrix is 3. Then we have next was asked in 2021. Now we can have this. Now I will go for this matrix. So we have this as 1, 2, 2, 3, then 2, 2, 0, 2. What we have made? We have multiplied this. Sorry, we have subtracted this value. That is, if I will write here, that is R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. And therefore 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 3, we have 2. Then we have next 2 2 0 0 2. Same way we have done over here. R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. So we have 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 2 5. Then we have 2 2 0 2. So I have subtracted R4 equal to R4 minus R3, and we have this one 0. Now you can see if we will go to this matrix, we will get 0. If we will go to this matrix also, then also you are going to be 0. Because if I will say this will be 0 0, then we have 0. Then if we will go for this, then also 0. Means that is also not when. If I will go to this, you can see we have any other matrix, we can say 2 by 2. Now we will go, and for 2 by 2 we are going to get 4 minus 4, again 0. And likewise we have rank of matrix 2, or you can have 1 2 2 3. Then we have 2 2 0 2. Then we have 0 0 0 0. This we have by R3 minus R2, R4 minus R2. So this is R3 equal to, you can write R4 equal to, you can write 0 0 0 0. And now you can see if you will multiply this 2 minus 4, so is not 0. Means we have two rows here which have non-zero element. Rank also defined as at least one element should be non-zero. At least one element should be non-zero in a row. Should be non-zero in the row. And then you can see we have, these are the two rows. Therefore, my rank is 2. Then we have determined the rank of the matrix. So now you can see we have determinant is 0. So we have calculated 1 into the 1 into. So these row and columns we are going to be. First we have to consider these 3. So we have 1 1 0, then 2 0 2, then 4 1 3. And if you will calculate this, so we have 1 into 0 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 6 minus 8. And then from this minus 2, from this plus 2, it is 0. If we will go another part, if we will consider this also, if calculate it, you have 1 in bracket, 2 minus 6, then we have minus 2 in bracket. So we have this will be 0 minus 3. So we have this as, so this will be 1 2 minus 6. So this will be minus 2. So we have 0 and 2. So we have 0 minus 2. So this comes minus 4. This will be plus 4. So we have 0. But you can see if we will consider 2 by 2 of this, then it is not 0. So our rank of the matrix is 2. Then we have another one problem. So last type, same problem. So we are going to be calculated this value, and then we are going to be value as 0. So now likewise, actually, we can go for this. You have to calculate the determinant, and then you have to go reduce. First, we have this 3 by 3. We have first this 3 by 3, or we can have this 3 by 3. And then by this, you are going to get this value that is going to be equal to 0. And if we have this value 0, that means my matrix is not 3 rank, so it will be reduced to 2. So this value comes 0, means we can change rows and column in such a way that where we are going to get one of the row that is equal to 0. You can go by that method also, but that will be time consuming. And therefore, this is simplest method to calculate the rank of matrix. Then we have this again, one problem asked in 2003. So we have this problem again, calculated matrix. So if I will again consider this, try to understand. In last I have not explained, before that I explained this. So we have 6 3 4 and then 2 1 0, and then we have 4 into 0 minus 4, then minus 2 into 0 minus 8, so minus 8 plus 1 into 6 minus 6, and that is 0. And you can consider this also any first three or then last three. So here if you will consider it, then you have 2 in bracket 4 minus 0. So we have 4 minus 1 in bracket. We have 3 minus 7 and then plus 3 in bracket. We have minus 4. And then we have this as 8 minus 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 12, 0. So by considering first three or next three, value is 0, means my rank should not be 3. It will be now reduced to 2, because any 2 by 2 we will consider, then we are going to get this value not 0. So likewise we have to go for this. So these are the different problems where we have these rank of the matrix. So these all are from GATE examination. That is from 2001 actually to till date. So now we will stop here only. So thank you.